Okay. Okay. Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Okay. Remember where we stopped? Yesterday, which topic we covered? Aditya Nair. Aditya,
Yes, ma'am.
where we stopped
I was absent for last class.
last class. Okay, Hadidi. Where we
Yes,
stopped,
ma'am.
Hadidi?
That Alan Days, what helping the poor.
Yes. So about Alente, isn't it? So we discussed about Alente and his rule. What are the policies he took for the development of the poor people? Melvin? Melvin? Melvin is not there. Melvin, you have any problem? Okay, Meghna, can you say?
Yes, ma'am. I can hear you. Now I can hear you.
Okay, what are the policies adopted by Alente for the development of the poor people?
Ma'am, last class I couldn't get inside your class.
Sorry, I can't hear.
I was not there in your class last.
Where, what happened to you?
There was no connection.
Okay, nobody's there, Fia? Fia? Diary. Diary. Okay, Fia? Nobody was there in the class. I think the... Fia, you can't hear? Nobody is responding. So anybody voluntarily say? What are the policies adopted by Alente?
Being
Reform
elected
of
as the president,
educational
he had
system.
taken away several policies.
Yes.
Poor people.
Okay,
Reform
then.
of educational system.
Yes, he reformed the education
Free
system.
milk
Very good.
for children.
Free milk for children.
Yes, free milk for the children.
Redistribution of land
Of land
to the
to landless
landless.
labor.
Yes, he provided land to the landless
He
people.
also
Yes, excellent
opposed the
answer.
foreign
Oppose
companies
foreign
from
companies from
taking
taking
Yes,
natural
very good,
resources
very
from the
good.
country.
He opposed the foreign companies from taking natural resources. Then who were the coming as the opposition of Alente? Alente was opposed by the different people. Who were they? The landlords, the rich and the church, and the other political parties in Chile were against the Alente. Okay. Alente, even though he was a good ruler, because he did a lot of things for the poor people, but he had a great opposition from the landlords, from the rich and the church, and from the other political parties. So the political parties, then the rich people or the church and the landlords were against Alente. Clear? And what happened is, in the defense minister was arrested by the military when he arrived at the office. When he came to his office, the defense minister was arrested and the military commanders asked the president to resign. There was a military coup attacked and the defense minister was arrested and they asked the president to resign, but Alente refused to resign. He was not ready to resign. So what happened is the military surrounded his house and started bombing it. And he died in a military attack. He died in a military attack. Okay?
One doubt.
So the defense minister was arrested in 1973. What all things happened? In 1973, the defense minister was arrested by the military, and also they asked the president to resign, but he was not ready to resign or leave the country. As a result, what happened? The military surrounded the president's house and bombing it, and the president Alente died in the military attack. President Alente died in the military attack. See, you have textbook with you? Hadidi, you have textbook?
No, ma'am.
Anybody have?
Yes, ma'am.
Those who have textbook, please take it. Who have textbook?
Afsana.
Afsana have? Okay, Afsana, Mole, take the textbook.
I have.
Okay, Afsana, you take the textbook and read the first, take the chapter, Democracy in the Contemporary World, and you read the first portion.
Ma'am.
It was the speech of Alente. What is written there?
Ma'am, one doubt.
Workers of my country.
Sorry, Mole, I can't hear.
Workers of my country, I have faith in.
Okay, is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Mola, you read.
Ma'am, which page number?
Read it louder.
Ma'am, page number.
First page itself in the chapter, it's begin with that. Afsana started and what happened?
Ma'am,
Yes.
for my textbook, chapter 1 is what is democracy? Why democracy?
Oh, it is not like that. Democracy in the contemporary world.
No, my what is
democracy, the first portion.
Sorry, Rifa.
Ma'am, it is starting like this, workers of my country. That paragraph or the overview should be.
Mola, I can't hear.
Ma'am, there is overview before the speech.
Ah.
So, should.
That speech is there in the textbook, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that you read. Rifa, you read.
Workers of my country, I have faith in Chile and its future. Other men will overcome this dark and bitter moment when treason seeks to prevail. Keep in mind that much sooner than later, the great avenues will again be opened, through which will pass free men to construct a better society. Long live Chile, long live the people, long live the workers. These are my last words, and I am certain that my sacrifice will not be in vain. I am certain that at the very least, it will be a moral lesson that will punish felony, cowardice, and treason.
Ma'am,
Okay. What was the speech?
ma'am,
Yes.
page number.
Mone, in your textbook, is that chapter is there?
No, it is showing what is
Page number is
democracy
3.
Okay.
and why is
Anyway, I
democracy.
send your that chapters, chapter in your WhatsApp group. You saw that as a PDF?
Yeah.
Yes.
Ma'am,
So you
in
take that,
textbook
okay?
it is
If it is
page
not in your
number.
textbook, don't worry. Take that. That I send in your, already I sent that in your class group.
Ma'am, it is page number 3.
Okay, ma'am.
Rifa, so that is the last speech by the LND. At the time of his speech, what happened?
After the speech, he was dead.
After the speech,
He was dead.
his house was bombed and the President LNT was died. Okay. So, see, after that, his house was bombed. So that's the LNT's rule. LNT's rule came to an end. On 11th September 1973, the President LNT died in the military attack. At the time when he was talking about, for his last speech through the audio, at that time, they bombed his house. And this military coup was get the support from the US government, because the US government also was not happy with the LNT's rule. Okay, the US government was also not happy with the LNT's rule. So the end of LNT's government. Once again, LNT, he was the president of Chile. Chile was where? Chile was in? Where is Chile?
South America.
Be louder.
South America.
Chile was in South America.
South America.
Then he was the founder of which party? Socialist Party of Chile, and he ruled Chile for the 3 years from 70 to 73. In between his time period, he did a lot for the development of the poor people. Like he reformed the education system, he provided free milk for the children, and also there is redistribution of land to the landless people, and also opposed the foreign companies from taking the natural resources from the country. Then, but he had a lot of people opposed him. It include the landlords, the rich and the church, and the political parties in the other political parties in Chile. The rich people, the church, and the landlords was against LNT. But the defense, the LNT's rule came to an end in September 11, 1973. The defense minister was arrested and the military commanders asked LNT to resign or leave the country, but he was not ready to do so. So what happened is the military surrounded his house and started bombing. So what happened at last? The President LNT died. The President LNT died in the military attack when he was talking, when he was addressing his people through the radio, isn't it?
Yes,
But
ma'am.
the US government also supported whom? The military coup, because they are not happy with the LNT's rule. The USA is also not happy with LNT's rule. So the military coup also get a support from USA. So are you clear about LNT? Hadidi, can you say about LNT? It's a story. Makle, don't try to by heart it, okay? Just recollect it as a story. Okay, Hadidi, can you say?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you tell.
He ruled for 3 years. Then he from I don't know the
70
year.
to 73. It's so easy to remember.
70
70 to 73. Okay.
He helped so many poor people.
He helped the poor people.
He died in 1973. At 1973 by a military attack.
Okay, he died by a military attack in 1973.
Then
when he was talking, when he was
yeah.
in his last speech, when he was talking his last speech, the military started bombing his house and he died.
Yes.
Okay. Then the military coup get a great support from the
Ma'am, USA government.
Then next, who came to rule, you know? And also at that time, another person, the General Alberto Bashley. Okay, the General Alberto Bashley, an Air Force officer, was also get tortured at that time. His wife and her daughter were put in prison. This name is important. That's why I'm saying it's Alberto Bashley. His wife and his daughter also were tortured at that time. Around 3,000 people were killed and also many were missing. Many people were missing at that time and around 3,000 people were killed at that time. And after that, Pinochet. The military coup was led by Pinochet and he came to power. Okay, Pinochet. Pinochet became the president of the country and ruled for the next 17 years. Pinochet ruled the country for the next 17 years, not 1 or 2 or 3 years, a long 17 years Pinochet ruled the country. Can you imagine a sudden change from a democratic country to a military rule? So they could, from a government, the elected government, a democratic government was overthrown by a military power. So they could do as they wish and no one could question them because that is a military rule, only a dictatorship. It's like a military dictatorship. That means nobody to question them. They are the supreme power there. And the Pinochet's government tortured and killed several of those who supported Allende. That I told you, it's coming out of the General Alberto Bashley. And his family was greatly tortured. His wife and the daughter were tortured by the Pinochet and the military coup because they are not supporting the military attack. So Pinochet's rule, Pinochet became the president of Chile for the 17 years. He became the president. And what happened? There is a sudden change. Can you imagine the change of India's rule from a democratic to a military? We all have enough freedom. Suddenly our freedoms and everything were nothing for us and a military is ruling the country. So they do like what they need. What they wish, they will try to do like that. So the military dictatorship. Have you heard about Hitler and all? A dictatorship. That means what they wish, they did like that. So such a rule came to Chile, a transition from a democratic to a dictatorship. And what they did is those who are against them, they tried to kill them all. Pinochet's government tortured the people, those who are against him or those who favored the democracy. Okay, that's about the Pinochet. Pinochet, he became the president of the country for the 17 years and the government was elected by the people and the power shifted to the military. And they could do as they wish and no one could question them. Nobody to question them. And also the military dictatorship was established in Chile. And the Pinochet's government tortured and killed the several people who supported Allende and also those who supported democracy. Why he killed the people who supported Allende? Because he was a follower of democratic policy. But Pinochet, he was a dictator, so he's not ready to accept the people who are following democracy. Clear? Then, but after his 17 years of rule, it came to an end. Because it came to an end after Pinochet decided to hold a referendum. Are you heard about the term referendum? Referendum. It's already written there. Referendum means a direct vote in which an entire electorate is asked to either accept or reject a particular proposal, like our voting power. Okay, that means it's a direct vote. You can select. If In 9A, a referendum means 9A, the all students have the right to accept or reject a particular proposal. Okay, that is a referendum. It's a direct vote in which an entire electorate, is asked to either accept or reject a particular proposal. An entire electorate is asked to either accept or reject a proposal. That is referendum. Clear? What is a referendum? It's a direct vote in which an entire electorate is asked to either accept or reject a proposal. Suppose in your class, any new decision is coming. An example. Hadidi become the class leader. Okay. Then the teacher is asking, all of you have the right whether you can select her as a leader or not. So all of you get a chance. So if you are you like her, you can vote in favor of her, and if you are against, you can vote against her. So you get the freedom. You think that in the military rule was there till that time, no freedom for the people. First time they are getting a referendum, and normally what Pinochet will think, he thought he will get, but actually what happened? You know. He have a confidence that the people will say, yes, Pinochet can rule the country. But what happened is the people decided not to Pinochet. They don't need Pinochet as their leader anymore. So he lost his power. If the people referendum is there, so he lost his power on the political and military. And the hope Allende expressed in his last speech. That's why I told you to read the last speech. These three words he used: felony, cowardice, and treasons were finally punished. That happened. Finally, the Pinochet lost his power. And Pinochet's government came to be known as it's not only a brutal government, it was also a very corrupt government, because only a single ruler is there and he can do whatever he likes. Nobody is there to question him. Okay? Clear? About Pinochet. So what happened at Pinochet once again? Pinochet, he became the president of the country for the 17 years, and there was a transition of Chile from a democratic to a dictatorship or to a military rule, and the Pinochet's government tortured those who are against him and those who favored democracy. And finally, his rule came to an end after he decided to conduct a referendum. That means it's a direct vote in which an entire electorate is asked to either accept or reject a particular proposal. Why he think the people will support him, but actually the people was against him. So he lost his political and military power. And Pinochet's government, when we are discussing about the Pinochet's government, it was a very brutal and a corrupt government. But you think when we are remembering the Allente's, his government did a lot for the improvement of the poor people, but Pinochet's government was very brutal and corrupt. Clear? So after that, 4 presidential elections were conducted.
Ma'am.
Ma'am.
Hello, can you hear me?
Ma'am.
Hello,
Hello.
can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so now you know about Pinochet. Prajot, can you say me? Can you say something about Pinochet?
Yes, ma'am.
Pinochet.
He ruled for 17 years.
Mone, a little bit louder.
Pinochet ruled for 17 years.
He ruled for 17 years.
His rule was very brutal.
Okay, he was very that means a sudden change. You can think that a democracy to a dictatorship, it's not easy for the people to accept it. We enjoyed all the freedom, suddenly our old freedoms are stopped. Then any other thing about Pinochet? Then what he did, those who opposed him? Lolita. What he did, those who opposed him? He was a person with tolerance.
Tortured and killed.
Yes.
And people who gave him and who fought and gave and who want democracy.
Yes. Then what he did, his rule came to an end after he decided to hold a referendum. What do you mean by referendum? It's a direct vote in which an entire electorate is asked to either to accept or to reject a particular proposal. That you must write what is referendum, okay? Then what was the response of the people? People said bye-bye to Pinochet, and his rule came to an end. All the people were against him, and he lost his entire power on the political and military. And Pinochet's government is very, as Prajot said his last point, it was not only a brutal government, but it was also a very corrupt government. At last, again, there is a democracy in Chile. And the fourth presidential election, after that, the election was conducted in Chile, and Michelle Bachelet. You remember this name anywhere? I told about Alberto Bachelet and his wife and child who tortured at the time. Yes, that Michelle Bachelet, she's the daughter of the Alberto Bachelet. Okay? In between. Okay. Who's that? Michelle Bachelet, the daughter of General Bachelet, who was imprisoned and tortured along with her mother. That I told you, remember that Alberto Bachelet, his family was also tortured by the Pinochet's military, and that girl was the daughter of Alberto Bachelet. Michelle Bachelet become the first defense minister in Latin America, the first woman The first women defense minister in Latin America was Michelle Bachelet. Okay, she was elected as the defense minister. So Michelle Bachelet, the daughter of General Bachelet, who was imprisoned and tortured along with her mother and elected as the president of the Chile in 2006. Then a medical, she's a doctor and a moderate socialist. Michelle became the first woman to become a defense minister in the Latin America. So if a 1 mark question is there, it's a nice question to ask, who become the first woman to become the defense minister in Latin America. It is Michelle Bachelet. And in the presidential election, she defeated the richest man in Chile. In Chile, she defeated the richest people in Chile in the election. Okay, clear? Any doubt about Chile? And after Pinochet's rule, what happened? Again, the democracy restarted there, and Michelle Bachelet, the daughter of Alberto Bachelet, who was tortured at that time, become again the defense minister, the first defense minister in Latin America. The women defense minister in Latin America was Michelle Bachelet. Okay, any doubt in today's portion? Children, anybody?
No, ma'am.
Sorry, Mone, I can't hear. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Are you okay?
Everything is clear, ma'am.
Everything is
Yes,
clear?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So what you want to do is, today you have that textbook PDF is there. Social, you must read the textbook. Okay. We cannot predict how the questions will be.
Okay,
You
ma'am.
cannot
Okay,
predict
ma'am.
from where next year you are going to write the board exam. So if I am giving you some question answers and you are trying to by heart it only, it is not good for you. You must read the textbook proper. Everybody should read the textbook proper, and each and every line of the textbook may be a question. So if those who have no textbook, I send that chapters PDF, so you go through that, and if you have any doubt when you are reading, you can ask me. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Anytime you can message me, or for the next class, anytime you can ask and make it clear.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay,
I
ma'am.
hope you understood. So read the textbook, children, today itself. Next day we can study about Poland. So Chile is clear to you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. All
Yes,
clear.
ma'am.
Next day we can go to
Everything is clear.
Poland. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you,
Bye.
ma'am.